Hello, welcome back. In this video, I will explain the fundamentals of CPM scheduling. When you schedule or press F9 in Primavera P6, Primavera P6 performs scheduling based on CPM, critical path method. It performs scheduling on forward and backward passes. This schedules activities based on its relationship types, duration, leads and lags, and constraints. Once you finish scheduling, critical path, total float, free float, early dates, and late dates are identified. In this schedule, activity C has free float of 4 days and total float of 4 days. Activity A, B, D are critical. They have no float. If I go to chart view, I can clearly see in forward pass, that is early start and finish dates. Activity A starts on May 1, has duration of 5 days, ends on May 5. Activity C starts very next day, that is 6th of May, has a duration of 6 days and finishes on 11th May. Activity B follows after activity A, starts on 6th May, has a duration of 10 days and finishes on 15th. Since activity D has to start after completion of activity C and B, activity D will begin on 16th May after the early finish of activity B. And activity D has a duration of 5 days. Starting from 16th, it's going to finish on 20th of May. That is the forward pass. Backward pass is calculated from the end of activity's early finish date. Activity D finished on 20th May. 20 minus 5, that is 16 May. Activity C finishes on 15th May with duration of 6 days and the late start is 10th May. Activity B late finish is 15th May, that is just 1 day before 16 May, and has a duration of 10 days and late start is 6th May. Activity A late finish is on 5th of May, that is 1 day before 6th of May, has a duration of 5 days and late start is 1 May. So on the bottom you see the late dates and on the top early dates. To calculate total float, the formula is early start minus late start or early finish minus late finished. So in this scenario, in activity A it's 0, activity B it's 0, activity D it's 0. Hence it's on critical path. Whereas activity C, the difference between 6th May and 10th May, that is 4 days. And that is the total float, which means activity C can be delayed for 4 days without causing the project delay. And also activity C has got a free float. That is the difference between the finish date, early finish date, and the early start date. Difference between 16th May and 11th May. That is again 4 days. 12, 13, 14, 15. That's again 4 days of difference. That is free float, which means any delay of activity C for 4 days will not impact activity D. To learn more, enroll in full course schedule and cost management using Primavera P6. Thanks for watching.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.